Welcome to virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and today we will learn English. Come on students, we will move to the lesson. Is English of Standard First and the name of the lesson is Soham's Ball. Children, here we can see two children. One is Soham and another one is Sam. Both are playing football. Okay, now today we are going to watch a football match between Soham and Sam. Now we will see what happens while playing football. Okay, and we will enjoy the match. Soham's Ball. This is the title of the lesson. Soham is a name of the boy. Okay. Look, listen and read aloud with me. Here students, you have to read along with me. Okay, first you listen to my reading and then you too read the sentence. Okay, you can see here Soham and Sam. Both are there, they are playing football. Yes, Soham and Sam are playing football. Okay, Sam kicks the ball. It goes into Mr. Mane's garden. Okay, got this students? Means this is Soham and this is Sam. Okay, both are playing football. And what happened? Sam kicked the ball. He kicked the ball. Okay, then what happened to the ball? The ball went into Mr. Mane's garden. Mr. Mane has a house near to the garden. Okay, near to that place. And he has a garden. And that ball enters Mr. Mane's garden. Okay, here both Soham और Sam दोनों फुटबॉल खेल रहे थे. Okay, and Sam ने बॉल को किक किया तो किधर गया बॉल? मिस्टर माने के गार्डन में गया. Got this? Okay, we will read all this once again. Yes, students, please repeat behind me. Soham and Sam are playing football. Sam kicks the ball. It goes into Mr. Mane's garden. Okay. Now, this is Mr. Mane, okay, and this one is Sam. This is Sam and Mr. Mane. Sam asked for the ball. Sam came to Mr. Mane and asked for the ball. Excuse me, may I have the ball please? Mane said, sure. Here it is. Yes, dear students, how he asked? Sam asked, excuse me, may I have the ball please? He requested. Correct? And then Mane said, sure, here it is. He gave the ball. See, dear students, how he said, excuse me, may I have the ball please? Requested, isn't it? Yes, again we will read all these sentences. You have to repeat behind me. Okay. Sam asks for the ball. Excuse me, may I have the ball please? Sure, here it is. Okay, now Sam took the ball and he came back to the garden. After some time, again the ball goes into Mr. Mane's garden. Now Soham asks for the ball. Now what happened? After some time, again the ball goes into Mr. Mane's garden. Okay, now whose turn is to go and collect the ball? Soham's turn, isn't it? Soham said, "Give me the ball." See what he said? "Give me the ball." "No, I won't," said Mr. Mane. See the language he used? Give me the ball. He is ordering. मुझे ball दो. Is it right? Yes, students? No, that is wrong, isn't it? So he became angry. Mr. Mane को गुस्सा आ गया. No, मैं नहीं दूंगा. Like that he said. No, I won't. Okay, got this? We will read after. Come on, repeat behind me. Sometime again the ball goes into Mr. Mane's garden. Now Soham asks for the ball. Give me the ball. No, I won't, said Mr. Mane. See this? Why does Mr. Mane say no? Can you guess? क्यों बोला होगा मिस्टर माने ने नहीं दूंगा करके? आपको पता है? ओके, हाउ इज सोहम फीलिंग? उसने बोलने के बाद सोहम को कैसा लगा होगा? सोहम सी द फेस एंड सी मानेस फेस. इसको गुस्सा आया है, राइट? सो ही सेड नो, आई वोंट. Now see this face. How is Soham feeling? He is feeling very sad and bad also, isn't it? उसको बहुत बुरा लगा, right? How is Mr. Mane feeling? इनको कैसा लग रहा है इसकी बात सुन के? उसको क्या हो गया? गुस्सा आया, right? He became angry, isn't it? Okay, we will read this. Why does Mr. Mane say no? How is Soham feeling? How is Mr. Mane feeling? Now see this. Soham tries again. Soham वापस बोला. Tries again. एक बार और कोशिश किया सोहम ने. अभी क्या बोला उसने? अंकल, may I have the ball please? कैसा बोला अभी? प्लीज मुझे बॉल देंगे? अंकल, may I have the ball please? उसने रिक्वेस्ट किया, isn't it? सो हमने ए टाइम रिक्वेस्ट किया अंकल से. हाउ डज मिस्टर माने फील नाउ? मिस्टर माने को कैसा लगा अभी? अच्छा लगा, isn't it? बहुत अच्छा लगा. Okay, now we will read this. Soham, come on, follow me. Soham tries again. Uncle, May I have the ball, please? How does Mr. Mane feel now? Now he gave the ball. Now thank you, said Soham. What he said? He took the ball and he said, thank you, uncle. Got this, students? Students, what do you understand by this lesson, Soham's ball? Yes, you are right. We have to use the polite words. Correct? We must be polite. Right? Okay. Here they used please, thank you, isn't it? They make the magic. When he said, please give me the ball, then Mr. Mane gave the ball. And after getting the ball, Soham said, thank you, uncle. Isn't it? These are called magic words. We have to use these magic words whenever necessary. Okay? We will study about these magic words. Okay? Here, two friends are there. Okay? This boy is not having pencil and teacher asked to draw the diagram. Okay, so he is not having pencil. He asked for help. He need pencil from this boy. How he asked, we'll see. Can you give me a pencil? So politely he is asking his friend, can you give me a pencil? This boy said, sure, here it is. He gave the pencil, isn't it? Like this you have to ask whenever you are not having pencil, pen, eraser, sharpener. You have to ask your friend politely. You have to ask politely. Remember this. Okay? Please give me a pencil. Please give me a eraser. Like this. Okay? Then you will get pencil, eraser, whatever you want from your friend. Got this, students? This is a magic word. It makes magic. Okay? Here a family is having the food, isn't it? Now this girl, how she is asking, please give me another piece of cake. She needs cake. She liked the cake. She is asking another piece of cake. How she is asking? She is using magic word please. Please mama, give me another piece of cake. Mummy became happy because politely she is asking. So mummy surely she will give her 2 more pieces of cakes. Got this, students? So without fail you have to use the magic word please whenever you want something. Okay? Yes. This girl's birthday is there today. And our friend, he gave a gift. What she is telling? Thank you. She said thank you and she accepted the gift. The boy said welcome. See dear students, when anyone tells you thank you, then you have to tell welcome. Okay? See here one more case. Here this girl has taken the toy of this boy. Okay, the toy this is of this boy. She took this toy to play. But what happened? By mistake, the toy break. You can see here one hand is in her hand. Isn't it? The toy's hand broke. So she is telling sorry. Then what he will tell? It's okay. Right? Because she is telling sorry. A magic word. Isn't it? It makes magic. Because of this magic, this boy will not become angry. He will tell, it's okay. I will stick that. Okay, dear students, remember this magic word too. One more. Again, this boy broke the toy. This vehicle is there, isn't it? He broke this vehicle and he is telling, sorry, I have broken it. He is crying, but he will tell it's okay. Right? This is a magic word. Students, observe this picture. A slide is there and this boy is telling another boy, I am sorry I hurt you. Can you guess what happened here? Yes, you are right. He was passing by here and he came from the slide. Because of this, he got the hurt. Isn't it? So he is politely, he is telling, I am sorry dear, I hurt you. Right? He not did purposely. By mistake it happened. Isn't it? So then also he is using sorry, this magic word. And you know that it makes a magic, isn't it? Children, you know about the magic words, isn't it? Now we will go through once again. Thank you. When we get any help from anybody, then we say thank you, isn't it? When we want anything from other person or any help from other person, we have to use the word please, isn't it? When we want to disturb any persons, then we have to say excuse me, right? When we hurt any person, then we have to tell sorry, isn't it? Good. And dear students, try to use all these magic words in your day-to-day life. Okay? Because they will make magic in your life. Students, now you know properly about the magic words, isn't it? Now we will move to next lesson, that is number song. Okay, first we will hear the song, then we will go through the song. Okay. One, two, three and four, plant the trees more and more. 5, 6, 7 and 8, plant the trees near the gate. 9 and 10, 9 and 10, plant the trees double of 10, double of 10. Now, in that poem, we came to know about the numbers from 1 to 10, isn't it? Now, students, we will write the number names from the song. We will copy the number names from the song. Okay? We'll start. This is 1. What is the spelling for 1? one, isn't it? 2, TWO, 2. 3, THREE, 3. 4, FOUR, 4. 5, FIVE, 5. 6, SIX, 6. 7, SEVEN, 7. 8, EIGHT, 8. 9, NINE, 9. 10, TEN, 10. Isn't it? Okay. Try to learn these spellings. Okay. Now count and write. Here we will see some objects or some things we will see. We have to count and we have to write in number, and then we will write the number name. Okay. Sparrow we can see here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow. So how many sparrows are there? 4, isn't it? And what is the spelling for 4? You know that, isn't it? FOUR, 4. Good. Next. Wow, ball. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many balls are there? 5 balls are there. Yes, dear students. What is the spelling for 5? FIVE, 5. Right? Next. Ice cream cone. Wow. 1, 2, 3. Only 3 ice cream cones are there. So we will write number 3. And the spelling for 3 is THREE. Isn't it? Next. Chair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, there are 6 chairs. What is the spelling? SIX. Very good, students. This is the activity for you. Here you can see so many trees, so many animals, isn't it? You can see birds, cows, dogs, giraffe, right? You can see all these animals. Sheep is also there, isn't it? We have to count each type of animals. For example, I will tell you here how many sheep are there. 1, 2, 3. Isn't it? Like this you have to count. Sheep, 3 are there. How many birds are there? And how many dogs are there? How many cows are there? And what about the giraffes? You have to count. Okay. And about the trees, about the clouds. Okay. And sun is there. Right? You have to count and you have to write the numbers. Okay. Thank you. A magic word. Thank you very much, students, for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get new updated videos.